Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel.
You lead me to paradise. And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
Oh my.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Genesis, and this is the start of a new vlog. As y'all seen in the beginning, it was just a chill moment. I was coloring, hearing some music, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Sometimes you just need to chill. Sometimes you just need to chill. But let me show y'all my son's coloring, because he's on me right now. He's like, show them. Ooh.
This. Don't mind this, they're so ugly.
No, they're pretty.
No, this animal.
I mean, the animal's ugly, but your coloring is nice. Anyways, you guys, I'm thinking about putting some Love Day hearts on my cabinets, just to have Valentine's Day, not Valentine's Day, but Love Day decor in my crib, just to, you know what I'm saying? So we might do that a little later. We'll see. But I wanted to do the intro because it is the start of a new vlog, girl. Go check out my last one. I just posted. But welcome, like I said, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment down below on what you would like to see, and if you love what you're seeing, then thank you for supporting me. Y'all, I'm finna make me a little sandwich for dinner because I don't feel like cooking nothing.
Take some time just to get back before that I had days full of you before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
What's up, you guys? It is much later. I literally did nothing today but just chill because there's a snowstorm. Like, what am I actually gonna do? But yeah, y'all, it's been kind of like a, I don't know, like a stressful day, but not like really. Kids really run a number on you, like, I'm not gonna lie. It's just a lot. It's a lot on your mind, it's a lot on your body, and yeah, y'all, I'm grateful for my mother, but it's still a lot. Kids are just a lot. When I tell you I don't want no more kids, I don't want no more kids. As beautiful, as amazing, as much as funny as they are, as loving and caring, and how beautiful motherhood is, I don't want no more kids. I say this and I mean it. But I always say, when I make this statement, I always say, if and when, not if, but when God gives me my husband and he wants at least one, I'll give him at least one, or God, because he's the one that give life, thank you. But I'll have one more. And may it be a girl. Healthy baby at the end of the day is what everyone desires. But I don't want no more, bro. I'm telling you. The way motherhood has taken a mental toll on me, I just can't see myself desiring. I'm not one of those mothers that says, like, I would do it all over again. No. I'm done. Anyways, I'm about to make me some overnight oats so I have breakfast in the morning and I don't have to worry about that. The way I don't want to deal with these people's problems tomorrow. You see, it's like I have problems of my own. I have things to worry about on my own. Why are you calling me with your problems? Why are you calling me with your problems? Get off my phone. Anyways, y'all can tell I'm not in the best mood. And I'm really not. But I'm going to make these overnight oats.
Why don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up, then I take it down. Got someone. Why don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up, then I take.
Alright, you guys, so that's it. That's the overnight oats. It's honestly one of my favorite breakfasts, but if you eat it too much, like, it'll get old. So I would suggest to do it every other week and then try to do like eggs with like bacon or something different, you know, like switch it up so you don't get tired of it, because it's really, really healthy and it's very good for weight loss because it's a heavier breakfast and it's healthy, like I said. So when you eat it, honestly, it kept me full. I ate at like around 8:30 and it kept me full till like a little after 2 p.m. So highly recommend. But I think I'm gonna just catch y'all in the morning, you guys, because I'm beat and I'm about to go shower and everything. Catch y'all in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It's Monday. I'm getting ready to wash my face and to get my lip together. Ooh, where are my sunglasses? It's a regular work week, or work day, I should say. And oh my hair, girl, what the freak? It smells mad good though.
Mommy.
It's a regular work week, y'all. I ain't doing nothing today. Probably cook a little something, but y'all know, if y'all not new here, y'all know my morning routines, and yeah. I wonder if I should move my skincare over here, since I always put on my skincare right after I wash my face and my teeth. Let's go do some skincare.
Listen, I want you. I really do this to mommy Benny.
Hmm? Oh, you always turn on the lights?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It's all the one to
Oh yeah?
the way off.
Really? I have to get some more because I'm running out of my Holy Grail. Oh, I have to get my overnight oats out the fridge too, because I hate when they're like too cold. That joint hurts.
Look at camera.
Yeah, they see you.
I can. See? Like a signal. Look, I'm really high. Hi, Mommy. Hi. I want to show this camera. I want to show this.
You want to show them my headphones?
Yeah. Oh, headphones.
He wants me to show y'all my headphones. These were my gym headphones at one point. But they still are. I just work out at home.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
I go charge your headphones.
No, I don't need to charge them. Alright, you guys, now that I'm done with that, let's go get my overnight oats. Go.
I'm about to put this in the fridge.
Y'all, I forgot to show y'all my new creamer yesterday. I definitely got this delivered yesterday. So if you mix this with sweet cream, it tastes good. Besides that, it's not true coconut vanilla, so
I
yeah.
want to show this.
This mix is fire.
This.
You can also mix it with the white chocolate mocha. That might taste good. This and some rice and veggies. That's what we're gonna make for dinner.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah.
That actually tastes good. But I don't like drinking coffee first thing in the morning anymore. I just can't do it. First of all, it's not good for you at all. And it just doesn't taste right. You have to feed yourself, fuel your body, then drink coffee or whatever. And drink water first. Alright, you guys. I got to go because I'm on crunch time. But I will catch y'all when I get off work. What's up, you guys? It is lunch and people are annoying today, of course. It's like the snowstorm made them a little more less aware of their questions. I'm just gonna make breakfast for lunch because I don't have time to do anything else. I feel like you just breathe and that's it. That's your lunch. And it's so funny because we used to have 45-minute lunches and they decreased it to 30 minutes. Man, when I tell you, boy, keep showing me love on these videos. Because one day, when I tell you I'm out, I'm out. So let me show y'all what I made. I'm just make bacon, some eggs. I think I'm gonna make a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. I don't know. But I had oats this morning, so I really don't want any bread, to be honest. And I most likely will have some rice later, so. I don't know why it's broken up like that, but whatever. I need to go back to turkey bacon for real. I'm about to, honestly. One thing God has been teaching me in this job is you're going to have to deal with people you do not agree with. You're gonna have to deal with people you don't like at all, and you're gonna have to do stuff in this life that you don't want to do at all. And that's what this job has taught me. And there's a reminder that people are actually mean as hell. That's the truth. That's it. And you don't have to fake it till you make it. Customers be getting my actual personality. No, I'm not finna sound like some overly excited robot on the phone for 8 hours a day. That's not gonna happen. I'm gonna speak just like this. And if I'm tired, you're more than likely going to hear that. I think people forget when they call into a company. I think they forget you're talking to a person and not a robot. So your problems, some of us have your same issue. Some of us don't have the ability to, you know, quit and do what they want to do. Because that's really what I've been wanting to do. But
Guys, I like bacon.
we used to eat turkey bacon all the time. I don't know what happened. I think I had like a bacon, egg, and cheese from somewhere, and I like started eating bacon. Like, I need to go back to turkey bacon. So that way, it's just healthier. Get off of that.
That makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late.
Alright, you guys, so I'm about to get a little workout in because why not? I was gonna bed rob and I was procrastinating, but I have no reason to, and it's time. Your girl needs to get back fit. Okay? We need to get back to it. There's no reason why. Realistically, for me, I cannot be in the gym at 5 a.m. So, shout out to all my girls who motivate me, because the Lord knows I need the motivation real bad.
So can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know.
It is a little bit later. I just took a shower and everything, put the babies to bed, and yeah, I already put lotion on my face. What am I doing? That's how you know I'm tired. But that workout was so... Not today. That workout was good. I feel good. I'm happy I did it. I just took a nice shower, ready for bed. But I just want to say goodnight to y'all. I just wanted to say goodnight to y'all. I'm about to go in with my Salt's hair body spray just to, you know, set the mood for myself. Sometimes I do that. And yes, I'm wearing the same pajamas. They're clean, please. I don't know what you got going on, but I ain't got that going on. Let me stop. I was gonna put a face mask on, but I try to not do these all the time. Maybe like every couple months, to be honest, because facial masks are like, I don't really need it. My lips are mad ashy. Not really. Kinda. But yeah, you guys, I hope y'all have a beautiful night. Every one of my workouts has a lesson behind it, because my life is so like, I always have to do a lot, and I always say thank God for the ones that help me. My mother, my sisters in Christ, who encourage me as well, because verbal assistance is needed. Physical assistance is needed as well. They come hand in hand. We need encouragement verbally and physically. Encouragement physically looks like somebody coming through for you, taking care of the kids, or helping you taking care of the kids, like, you know what I mean? So we need all of it. But yeah, y'all, I hope you have a good night, and remember that life doesn't get easier. We just get wiser, and we also, like, our endurance becomes stronger. It's like when you start running. I remember, but when I used to smoke a lot, when I was in the world, I used to smoke a lot, like heavy. And I used to smoke a whole entire branch. It's like, no. I used to smoke a whole, you know what I'm saying? And then I would go run a mile and a half, and chest be burning. But I was doing it every single day, and that helped me lose, what was it, 6 pant sizes? I was a size 13 or 14, I think, and then I went down to an 8. So 6 to 7 pant sizes, baby. That's what that did. But in that era that I was in the world, rebellious, did what I wanted when I wanted. I was fornicating. I was doing everything that the Bible says not to do. Okay. And that motivation was coming from, I wouldn't even call that motivation, like, but all I know is that God used that to teach me that I could also do it while with him. I'm just still finding the balance, y'all. Like, I have a 5 and a 2-year-old. Like, seriously, like, when I was just getting used to being a mom to my first child and, you know, entering motherhood, like, that's a big step. Like, many people underestimate the challenges and the obstacles and, you know, the trials that come with becoming a parent. So when I had my first child, I didn't get the chance to really get to know myself and really, like, learn myself again in Christ, right? But right when I was about to hit that stage, I fell again and went ahead and had another baby. And, you know, thankfully I'm out of that, okay? Completely. But, you know, this past year in 2025, thank the Lord, like, it was my first year where I could say and I could speak about it now since it's done. But it's my first year that I was able to be fully just celibate and completely single and didn't talk to no one. Like, it was, honestly, it was challenging, but not, like, it was challenging. I don't know how else to put it. It was challenging, and at times it still is, but, like, I've understood that I'd much rather be single than be with the wrong person. Point blank period. You don't want to be with the wrong person. Like, your life, you don't want to be with the wrong person. Point is, I didn't even know I was going to go this. Somebody had to hear this, but I didn't know I was going to go this route. I seriously was going to come on here and say goodnight to y'all and tell y'all that I took a shower and show y'all my little body spray or whatever. I was not finna come on this camera and tell y'all nothing, but somebody needed to hear this, and I love testifying. And I was just commenting on my sister Priya Simone. Go check her channel out. But I was just commenting on her video that she just posted, that testimony is a way of glorifying the Lord. And I said something else. Testimony is where, like, you realize your growth, but we're supposed to change, y'all. Like, we're supposed to change walking with God. Sometimes that looks like 10 years, okay? Sometimes that looks like 1 year. Don't compare your journey to somebody else's journey. Don't compare what you've learned and how you apply it to your life, and then look at somebody else and maybe they went through the same thing but they learned something else. Don't compare yourself to them. Try to be, you know, it's okay to be inspired and ask the Lord if you can apply those things to your life as well, but focus on what God is telling you for your situation, for your life. Just, yeah, don't be so hard on yourself, but also remind yourself every day, like, okay, today's another chance to be better at something that I want to do. Like, yeah. But enough of my yapping. But yeah, honestly, that was not yapping. That was Holy Spirit, to be honest. Because the enemy ain't gonna have you testifying about what the Lord has done. Thank ya. Good night. It's like, nah, I'll see y'all in the morning. Maybe I might see y'all after work. Who knows? But I will catch y'all tomorrow.
No, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is.
I'm boiling some eggs as y'all seen, and then I got some leftover crispy tater tots, so I'm just gonna eat that for breakfast. I'm not in the mood for oatmeal today, so, and I'm not in the mood for bacon, so yeah. I just made me some coffee with instant espresso because I have to order pods, and if you're an espresso owner, you know them pods can rack up. It's a lot, but I'll probably order them. What's today? Today's Tuesday, y'all. Yesterday was Monday. Yesterday I did cardio. Today we're gonna do upper body once I get off work. So yeah, guys, I'm not gonna talk y'all head off this morning, but I'm gonna show y'all my full breakfast when it's done, and then I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm off work doing my upper body. Because cardio, when you're on the treadmill, it's really an all over body workout because you're moving your arms, you're sweating all over, and your legs and your glutes are at work, so it's like, you know what I mean? So full body yesterday / cardio. Upper body today, lower body tomorrow, God willing, and then rest day, and then probably Pilates for the rest of the week. But at home Pilates, because nobody's paying $100 per class. No.
My body says my body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. This show is so amazing.
Alright, what's up, you guys? So it's after work. Kids is fighting. Got these headphones on though, because I'm about to get to work out. I'm about to use a ooh, girl. I'm about to use a, oh my god, where is it? My saved workouts on my Instagram. His name is Insta_body_fitness. Well, actually it says full body. Alright, I'm about to just pick the first one I see. Add fit. I guess she is, because she got hella followers. I mean subscribers. Jesus.
How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
Y'all, good morning. It is a couple days later, and as y'all can see, bed ain't done, but it is a couple days later. I am getting ready for work, and I'm putting on this baby powder lotion, y'all. I'm telling you, go get this. It is so good. It smells just like it's like a better, and I guess it's just a better version of Johnson & Johnson in my opinion. But yeah, it's a couple days later, you guys. I just took a shower. I'm on my monthly. It's Thursday, by the way. I haven't been feeling like doing nothing. School started, as y'all seen in the last vlog, and I gotta be focused, you know what I mean? Plus, I didn't do nothing at all. Nothing that would be interesting anyways. I'll be in the house. I'm a homebody for real. But I just wanted to come up on here and say what's up, y'all. What's up? How y'all been? What y'all doing? How was your Wednesday and Tuesday? I think, yeah, last time I seen y'all was Monday when I was working out. Or, no, it was Tuesday. Yeah, it was Tuesday when I was working out. But today I'm going to try to do lower body. Well, I am going to do lower body. And that's my least favorite, to be honest. Because I'm on my monthly. And mine be heavy, y'all. I'm not going to lie. But That's for all my ladies. All my men, if you're not mature, cover your ears. Anywho, like I said, I'm just getting ready for work, so I will catch y'all when I'm working out. So see y'all soon. Oh yeah, before I actually go, I wanted to show y'all this because y'all know I've been showing y'all this. I'm gonna go in with this. I like smelling like, you know, I like smelling good while working. This plus this little rose petal. I'm telling y'all, get that. Get that combo. That Demeter perfume baby powder, I got it from Amazon. This from the lotion company, it was like $16. This in a travel size, and then obviously the Dove, you can get it at Target, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. Ooh, what's up, you guys? Don't mind how I look. I look absolutely crazy. And I'm annoyed because these kids are so loud. Like, be quiet. Anyways, y'all. I'm about to show y'all this $300 grocery haul. Don't mind how I look, but it is much. I think it was yesterday morning I talked to y'all because I didn't have nothing to talk about yesterday, y'all. I was so tired and I had schoolwork. I just had a lot. And I don't like coming on camera acting like I'm all jolly when I'm not. But I'm about to show y'all my grocery haul. No, excuse me. So we're gonna start with my feminine wash. This is the Equate. And when I do my groceries and I need more even when I don't do groceries, but just in general, I always get 3 at a time because they're like 3 something. If y'all know, these are literally the holy grail of feminine washes. I've tried Love Wellness in Target. I've tried something else. I don't remember what it was, but I tried it like a while ago, like a year ago or so, or more than a year, and I just didn't like it. So where are we gonna start? All right, so I'm gonna start over here with the veggies. I got cherry tomatoes. I got this big rack of ribs because I love beef. I got some lime, just for a little 4-pack of lime. I got some sweet potato. We're gonna start with the meat and the veggies. I got a 3-pound roll of chopped beef. I don't know why, but I got 2 more little packs of ribs, some chicken breast, 2 pineapples, because I'm a juice. I think I'm a juice tomorrow. Do I have enough to juice? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something else. Actually, no, I could just make pineapple juice. I do it in the next vlog. But I got some cilantro, some asparagus, ooh, 2 packs of broccoli slaw, parsley, pack of yellow potatoes, 5 avocado, and then I'm gonna get into the canned stuff. I usually don't buy these, but I'm gonna do like taco bowls. So I got 2 things of the Walmart brand black beans. Got more soy sauce. I got Rao homemade garlic sauce. And then I also got 2 5-cheese Bertolli pasta sauce. I got 2 raw honey Walmart brand. 2 packs of spaghetti, the Barilla kind. I got Creole seasoning. I got Old Bay seasoning. I got garlic butter seasoning. Never tried this, but I'm gonna try it now. Not right now, but like when I cook. I got 2 taco packs for the taco bowls because I don't feel like always having to bring out 10 seasonings because I seasons my meat. Then I got the Rao's, what kind of pasta is this? Fusilli. I ain't put this in there. I definitely put rigatoni or something else. Anyways, that was it for the canned goods and like the pastas and stuff. And then I got chia seeds. I got Quaker oats, which I already have some, but I got more because I like to do my overnight oats. I'm gonna try to switch it up, like try to put different, like, I don't know, I don't always want strawberries in it. Fiesta blend, shredded cheese. I got 2 packs of Colby cheese for breakfast sandwiches. I got 2 Stony Fields probiotic vanilla whole milk yogurt. Shrimp. 2 of them. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. Shrimp. That's what I got the Old Bay seasoning for.
Seafood good boy.
He likes seafood. Then I got the Cheesecake Factory bread. As you can see, it's already open. We've been digging in that. And heavy whipping cream. Most of this stuff is because I planned out my meals for the week. So I'm going to use all of this for my meals. And if I'm missing something, I guess I'm going to just have to get it next week. But 2 packs of Philadelphia cream cheese. Some sour cream. My favorite creamer, Chobani caramel and Chobani sweet cream. Those are my 2 favorites. I got my favorite milk latte, 2%. Now is the breads and the, what else? The breads, tortillas and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try this double cheese bagels. I'll let y'all know how they taste, but they at Walmart, y'all. I got this for tacos. Cause out of that roll, I can make 2 meals. I should have got the 5 pounds so I could use it for spaghetti, taco bowls, and tacos. Then I got croissants. You wanna help me? And then I got this, 2 of these.
I'll show you.
You want to show? Okay, show. Wow. And then that's the other one.
Okay.
And yeah, y'all.
That's it.
Yeah, y'all. That's honestly no. It wasn't $300. It was $270 something. $274.
$270.
Exactly. $284.14 to be exact. That's not bad. I got lots of veggies, lots of meats, lots of canned goods, lots of dairy and breads and pasta. That's good for $284. I'm trying to convince myself, y'all, because back in the day when my mom used to come through or come home with her full groceries, they would spend like $100, $150 and bring food for the whole month. Now $300 gets you food for like 2 weeks. I'm gonna say this honestly, I did the same big groceries or almost the same amount last month, and it lasted me, honestly, I think it lasted me almost a full month. So yeah, you just gotta try to cook for 2 days and make meals that'll fill you, you know what I mean? So, but it's also healthy. Like if you see, I got a lot of produce and stuff, so I like to obviously buy food that is healthy and filling. You know, nowadays everything is, y'all already know. I can't talk too much because is watching. But yeah, y'all. I'm just gonna put this stuff away. But that's the boring stuff. Y'all don't want to see that. Anyways, I don't know what I put in this vlog, y'all, but I don't even know if I'm gonna include tomorrow in this vlog, to be honest. I don't even know. What am I doing? I'm not doing nothing tomorrow. That's the problem. I ain't doing nothing. But at the same time, this is like real life. And if y'all been watching, y'all know I like showing y'all real life vlogs. Alright, you guys. So here's the organized fridge. I had to clean it out real quick because it was given who lives here and how long have they been here. But organize my creamers. Those are a couple of protein shakes, frosting, mad random, but whatever. Behind this is some like Hershey syrup, cottage cheese, bunch of yogurt, sour cream, and a chocolate bar right there. Sauces, you already know the random mix. Chicken stock, I think that's both chicken, yeah, both chicken stock, leftover pasta sauce, and then random stuff that my mom uses, and then leftover paste. But yeah, you guys, I had to organize that real quick. I literally was just gonna put the stuff away, and then you know how when you see your fridge it's like way too messy or way too like it's way too cluttered. You just gotta get to it real quick. That's it for today, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the morning. I think I'm gonna juice tomorrow because I just found this whole bag of apples, and then I'm gonna just cut up the pineapple that I have. Couple more apples that I found, which are still good. It's so crazy. I don't know how they got there. I think my mom brought them. I don't know. But that is it. And then I think I'm gonna add some like a beetroot, so just to make it extra healthy. You know what I mean? Because beets are good for many things: inflammation, digestion, skin, hair, nails, all that. I'm not a doctor, but look it up. He's alive, he's alive, he's alive. People get ready.
I really wanna go. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Wait a minute. Because that's the best coffee I done ever made.
What?
And I don't have my espresso pods, so the honey is acting up. But what? 10 out of 10, highly recommend, y'all. You need to get up and do this right now. Oh my god, that is so good. Oh, I look crazy. Y'all, good morning. I'm over here just hopping on the camera, looking wild. Anyways, good morning, y'all. That coffee is so good. Probably the best coffee. Look at this one.
I'm washing the dishes. I like to wash the dishes every time.
Every single day, he always asking me to wash it. Okay, fine.
Okay.
You
Bye, Beetle.
Anyways, I used honey, cinnamon, salt, salted caramel syrup, and then I used the instant espresso because I don't have my espresso pods yet. But then I put, as y'all seen, heavy whipping cream and sweet cream, and I froth it. It is so good. That salt and the cinnamon. Definitely recommend putting the honey under an espresso pod because it melts the honey good. But besides that, this is tea. Fire. I didn't get the froth I wanted from the heavy cream and the sweet cream, but I'm gonna try to. I don't know why I didn't froth the right way, but maybe the frother needs more, power. Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
That's how you know we be at Chick-fil-A. I need to stop. Y'all see this? I need to stop going to Chick-fil-A.
Mommy needs us for Chick-fil-A this time.
Today's agenda, I'm going to detangle my hair and put it in a protective hairstyle because my hair looks crazy. My hair looks absolutely crazy. I washed it, as y'all seen in the last vlog, and I left it. I didn't even put it in a protective style. It looks absolutely crazy. And then I'm going to cook dinner tonight. We have lunch pre-made, so I ain't even going to bore y'all with that. But we're making, I think I'm going to do shrimp fajita tacos.
Oh.
No, that's
the seafood
Yo.
taco that I love.
Done booty bumped you. Done booty bumped you to the next city. Anyways, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna make
For dinner.
for sure for dinner.
I haven't ate tacos for a long
Right? We haven't had tacos in a minute.
No.
But
We need to start eating tacos.
yeah, not too much, cause mommy does not need that many tacos. So I bought these little hearts at Target. So when JoJo's done doing whatever he's doing over there, since he loves washing dishes,
You're gonna put that up.
I be telling him, why are you doing that? I don't even want him doing that, but he wants to do. He likes doing it. He be bugging us to do it. That's fine. It's teaching him life skills. But yeah, these are little heart garlands. $3 at Target. I was gonna go to Dollar Tree to buy like a whole bunch of other stuff, and maybe I could still do that, but it's a one day, holiday. So if I don't do that this coming week, like probably like literally like next week, if I don't get more stuff next week, then I'm just not gonna put a bunch of stuff. But I'm gonna put these up today too when he's done, because I need space and clarity. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end up cutting it in like separate, and I'm gonna do every other cabinet if I can, but I'm gonna cut it so each, because the garland goes like this in my cabinets. I don't have like island that I could put it. I could put it on the side here, but they'll just rip it off and it's pointless. So I'm gonna just hang it up like I did with the Christmas decor, And then if I said, like I said, if I could find something at Dollar Tree or Dollar General during the week, then I'll certainly get it, like pillows or like something for the TV stand.
I'll help
for my room. But my room, as y'all can see, is like fall colors, and I'm not changing my bedding for no Valentine's Day. If I find like a beige or neutral color heart or like, you know, something like that, I will definitely get. I'll probably be at Target or something. But we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna put these up later. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute. BRB.
I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together?